In 2026, you might be wondering what about real estate has changed and what has remained the same. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the facts that are still true about real estate in 2026. Not a lot has changed about real estate, and I think that what remains now will still remain 10 years to come, 15 years to come, 20 years to come. Real estate is a very predictable market. Here are some facts that remain true about real estate in 2026, especially in the city of Enugu. Good locations don't apologize. Good locations will reward you if you invest properly, and bad locations will always frustrate you. What has been true before in real estate and is still true now is the fact that if you buy into a good location, you are sure of appreciation. You are sure that the value of your money will not be lost, and you're sure that you receive return on investment on your capital. Good locations are forever the prize in real estate, and getting into a good location is as important as anything in real estate. So good locations will favor you, bad locations will frustrate you. You'll be seeking returns on investment that are not worth the time that you spent waiting for the property to appreciate. So this is one fact that still remains true in real estate. The second fact that remains true in real estate is that real estate rewards the patient people. So if you're patient with your investment will reward you. Real estate doesn't favor those who are in a hurry. Real estate favors those who are patient enough to wait, who are patient enough to let their investment work for them, who are not in a hurry to sell their property and just leave the market immediately. Real estate pays people who wait. The third fact that remains true about real estate is that knowledge and capital will always be luck. Someone might invest in real estate and receive huge returns on investment without knowledge, right? But this is not a consistent strategy to be following in real estate. This is not consistent in the long run. So you might be lucky once, you might be lucky twice that your investment yields return. But knowledge and capital will always trump luck. The fact that you know about real estate, you know locations to invest in, you know things to go about while investing in real estate, going about due diligence, your land search, and all the things that pertain to real estate, you will have a more profitable investment journey than someone who is basing his investment off just luck. So knowledge and capital will always trump luck while investing in real estate. The fourth fact is that cheap properties will eventually steal something from you. Cheap properties are cheap for a reason. They are either cheap because they're not worth your attention, or they're either cheap because they are land banking properties with serious potential for growth. So either a cheap property will steal your peace, your time, your money, or all these at once, or it will pay you in the future. Cheap properties are properties you need to watch out for. Everything is expensive. Real estate is not an exception. If the value of a property is sounding too good to be true to you, it probably is too good to be true, and you have to sit back and check if that investment is actually a genuine one, if that property is actually a genuine property. So cheap properties are cheap for a reason, like I said. It's either they are not worth your time, or either they are land banking property. And a cheap property is a property that you have to go with caution while investing in cheaper properties. These four facts remain true about real estate, and these facts have been true since the dawn of real estate, and they're going to be true in years to come. So if you're looking to invest in real estate, what should be at the back of your mind is that cheap properties will either steal something from you or will benefit you in the future. So you have to look out when investing in cheaper properties. The second fact is that knowledge and capital will always defeat luck while investing. You have to be knowledgeable about the market you're going into with the capital. You don't have to plan, you don't have to hope to be lucky to get returns on investment with your money. The third fact is that good locations will pay you and bad locations will frustrate you. And the last fact is that you have to be patient while investing in real estate. That is, after you paid for your property, you have to wait for your property to pay you. So you pay for the property initially and you wait for the property to pay you later on. And I really hope you got value from this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share to people who you think will find this video valuable. As usual, I'm Victor MD, and I'll see you on the next video.